Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel by Shard. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like button down below. Appreciate the support. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all 3 different ways to do the off-white style lace custom. So I'm going to show y'all the tools you need, and then we're going to get right into it. So you need some Air Force Ones. These are some ones that I ruin a lot. I drill a lot of holes in them, try to figure out ways on to do different type of customs. So these are some pairs I don't care about getting messed up. Got paint, yeah. So make sure you find some old ones or some type of ones that you can just ruin. And then you're going to need a X-Acto knife, Gorilla Glue, and I have my Amazon storefront that shows you all these tools, but I'm going to be using the 3/16 and 1/2 drill bit right here, which is already on my drill, and I have a 8-volt max. This is the Hyper Tough from Walmart. I believe this is the 3/8 keyless drill, the top. And then all these are on my Amazon storefront as well. You got your aglets. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called, aglets. And then these, I forgot what these called, but these are like, I use these for lace holders. So they will look like this. Let's see if it'll focus. And then it has a screw that comes with it. And then you have like these little circles. And it has like a little hole on this. I will show y'all what to do with that. So those are all the tools you'll need for this video. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so now that you have the tools you need, your shoes, your drill gun, the drill bit, X-Acto knife, your glue, and then your 3 different lace holders, that's what I'm going to call them. Go ahead and get started into this video. So I already have holes drilled out in my shoe, but you will use the 3/16 and 1/2 drill bit, and you will go slow wherever you want your off-white style lace holders to be, and you will just go slow and drill. And you would either go to, let me get it focused on that, you either go to this first or the second one. It's all like a user process, measurement. If I would do the first one, if it allow you to, if you can squeeze your if you can squeeze these aglets or lace holder in. Okay, so, and this is what I mean. So we have this one, and I have the hole. I'm just going to use this one, and you're just going to push it in. The smaller the better, and you're just going to push it in, and it fits in there pretty snug, but it could come out easy as you walk. So what I recommend, sorry, let me pick that up. So what I recommend, it's a nice style to use these ones, but these are my least recommended because of that. But you can glue it, and it also comes with backs, but those are pretty difficult because the shoe is inside is thick and it doesn't fit. The back of it is supposed to smush against this back, but it's hard to when the shoe has a lot of lining, so I don't recommend it. But what I do recommend, if you do want this, get you Gorilla Glue, super glue, dries fast and it holds good, and you put some on the end. Probably it won't focus, but yeah, you get the point. You put it on the end. Be careful to not get your hands, because it will glue your hands. And then you put it some in the inside of the hole, and then you push it through. Like I said, some of the glue might come out, but just be careful it doesn't get on your hand, and that will give a nice firm hold. And it's better than trying to do it without any glue or trying to smush the back of it because of the lining. So I give this like an 80%. Sometimes it still come out, sometimes it don't. Like I said, I don't really recommend this. This is my least favorite. It's not my least favorite, but my least recommended because of that point. All right, so you have that one. Number two is, which I would say this is my second recommended one, are these loop ones that comes with the screw, and you can screw it in the back of the shoe, which gives it a nice firm hold. And it's a big enough hoop to where you can do 2 laces through them. So you can have, you know, some white laces or some color laces, and then like a sparkle lace or lace with crystals on it, stuff like that. So like I said, you would drill your hole through and make sure it comes in the inside of the shoe, and then you will just push your, let's see if this one, I'll do it down to, I'll do it, I got some glue I gotta clean out of this. Let me get my X-Acto knife. So yeah, I didn't clean the glue out in the inside of it because I have tried a way before. Alright, so yeah, you will get your screw, push it in the hole from the back, and it'll come out. Got some glue trying to stick on it, and it will come out right there. And then you'll take this and screw it. Let's see if I can get it. Got some more glue showing through. There it goes. And you can screw it pretty tight, and you know, you can pull on it, and you know, it's in there. So this is my second recommended. These are pretty big, so only if you're using only if you like this style, or using 2 laces to go through these holes for the Off-White top custom, I recommend these. And then last but my favorite would be these little hoop ones. And all these ones I showed you, they do have different colors. Try to get it closer. And you see that little hole right there, that will go in the shoe, and you'll want this piece on the outside where it doesn't have no hole, so nothing can come out. The lace can't come out. So in this one, for this one, you are going to, I'll just do it right here. You're going to take your X-Acto knife and cut. You're going to split it a little. So, see if I can zoom in a little for you guys. You're going to find the point you want. Put the X-Acto knife through. Be careful, your hand is not on the back. Cut through. As you see, I have just a little slit. You won't be able to see it once you put this in and glue it. You just want to test it. Make sure it goes in a good amount. Need to do a little more. And the little hole is right here, so that's going to go on the inside. Yep, it'll be just like that. Alright, as you can see. Just like that. And you're going to glue it. So you're going to put glue on like this half where the hole is, and then you can put a little glue right here if you want on the actual in this actual thing. And this is a clear glue, so you won't see any glue once it dries. So I'm going to put, just going to focus. I'm going to put some glue where I said. Alright, and then I'm going to push it back through. And sometimes you can see the little hole, the split where you did. The lace will cover that up. But yeah, these are the 3 different ways you can use to do the off-white style custom. Comment down below if you have any questions. Make sure y'all like this video. Subscribe to my channel. I appreciate y'all for the support. We at 1K. Try to get to 2K. So yeah, hopefully y'all like this video. Thank y'all for tuning in and watching. I'm out.